presenting the Samsung Galaxy M12. The phone has display of 16.55 centimeters, 6.5-inch, HD Plus T LCD Infinity V-Cut display and 90 Hz screen refresh rate. 720 by 1600 pixels resolution and 269 ppi. The phone also has HD Plus resolution. It has 48 MP plus 5 MP plus 2 MP plus 2 MP quad camera setup, f2.0. It has main camera plus, f2.2, ultra-wide camera plus 2 MP, f2.4, and depth camera, 2.4. Macro camera, f2.2, and 16mm color. It comes with 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory dual SIM, Nano plus Nano. Expandable memory up to 1 TB and it supports dual standby. It runs on Android 11 and v11.0 operating system. It is powered by 8nm power-efficient Exynos 850 and octa-core. It also features camera 48 MP plus 5 MP plus 2 MP plus 2 MP. The delivery box contains handset and ejection pin, manual and data cable and travel adapter. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.